Now, the European Commission has told its staff to delete TikTok from their work phones. The ban reflects growing unease surrounding security at the Chinese-owned video sharing app. TikTok says it regrets the ban, calling it misguided. And we can get more from DW's chief technology correspondent, Janos Delka. Janos, can you explain to us what this ban is about exactly? And why now? Why has the European Commission made this decision now?
Well, the European Commission told its staff today that they should delete TikTok from their phone if they also use those phones for some kind of work-related purposes. Now, the European Commission says it's a temporary suspension, not a permanent ban. But it also says that, it's an early response to, and I quote here, potential cyber alerts. And of course, it comes as we're seeing debates over whether or not to ban TikTok around the world. In the US, TikTok has already been banned from federal government devices. And now the Commission here in Europe followed suit. And I think what's really important here is the symbolic value of this decision. I mean, you have one of the key European institutions telling its staffers, no, we do not consider it safe for you at this point in time to have TikTok on your phone.
OK, now TikTok has already issued a response to the decision, hasn't it? Can you tell us what they're saying?
Yeah, well, I mean, the company isn't happy. ByteDance, which is TikTok's parent company, called the decision misguided and, I quote, based on fundamental misconceptions. It said it had requested a meeting with European Commission officials to, quote, set the record straight. Now, earlier this month, TikTok told us that when it comes to the data of users within the EU, it complies with all the strict data protection rules that we have here in Europe. But today's decision by the European Commission at least suggests that officials don't seem to be so sure about that.
OK. Can we talk about the relationship between the Chinese government and TikTok, given the concerns the European Commission is voicing? Does Beijing direct what TikTok does?
I mean, that is the big question. And the honest answer is we don't know. Earlier this month, TikTok told us, and I'm quoting here, we have never been asked to provide TikTok user data to the Chinese government and have never provided any data to it. But at the same time, we do have high-ranking officials, particularly in the US, who are arguing that the Chinese government does have influence over the app and that it could use it as sort of a Trojan horse to gain access to data abroad. Now, we don't know what led to the decision today, but what has become clear is that European officials seem to have security concerns as well.
All right, really fascinating stuff. DW's chief technology correspondent, Janos Delka, thank you so much for that.